What's up guys, and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. Now we've got a fantastic custom Range Rover in for one of our detailing packages. Well, back in the studio today with a fantastic Range Rover Calm custom job. Look at the wheels on this, fantastic car. Lots of issues here in the paint, so what we'll be doing the full works on this car. All the windows glass treated, 2-stage machine polish up to now, looking at the paintwork, and then we'll be topping it off with Zirconite ceramic coating at the end. We'll see here we've got the carbon wrap effect on these door pillars on the passenger side, so let's go around the driver's side and take a look, see what's going on there. See, we'll move the light around here, swirl marks and holograms in the paintwork. Another fantastic car to detail here at Top Car Detailing, the Range Rover Sport. This is 12 years old now, bit of a conversion job as well, custom, that type of thing, with a bulldoze on the bonnet, a custom front bumper on this vehicle, and same with the rear. Obviously 22-inch wheels as well to set it off. So, but as I said, lots of issues there in the paintwork in the beginning. But we corrected all them, sorted this out for our customer and turned this into a complete mirror. 3-stage machine polish overall on this vehicle. So we just take a look round now, a couple of features, what I've done with it, and then I'll come back to you shortly. Thoroughly cleaned all the wheels up and ceramic coated them, so they're fully protected now for the future. Also all the plastics here, they were really bad, loads of scratches and swirl marks in them. Polished all those up as well, sorted that out, and then also the grills at the back here, we dyed them jet black as well. So you would have noticed earlier on in the video how these pillars here was just like a matte finish on them, same with the centre and the back. So what we did is polished all those up and then ceramic coated those too, plus also treated all the plastics here and with the rear plastics as well on the back of the vehicle. Lights here, they were all scratched too, so we polished those up and sorted that out. With this is a custom front bumper too, so all this fronts here been machine polished. What we also did, these plastic parts too was really badly scratched, so polished all them up, got all them scratches and swirl marks out, and then that's all ceramic coated as well. Take a look inside the interior. So I did is cleaned all the centre console up, the dashboard here, all the seating as well, deep cleaned them with a leather cleaner and seal them in too. So I did is polished all the fascia plates up here on the top, going into the engine bay, cleaned all this up as well and tidied all this up, plus also treated all the plastics as well. Well, we've certainly turned this 12-year-old Range Rover Sport round for one of our customers here at Top Car Detailing. You would have seen in the video in the first place what a mess this car was in, and now it looks better than brand new. Absolutely stunning and fully protected as well for the future. So if you'd like any further information on any of our car detailing services, don't hesitate, give us a call. Check out our website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk. If you like, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. And I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.